Dale Jr. ran this car twice in the 1997 Busch Grand National NASCAR Series, once at Rockingham and once at Homestead, both times finishing in 31st place after qualifying further up in the field. He ran them for Dale Earnhardt Incorporated, and he also attempted to make a third start at Charlotte but did not qualify. Dale Earnhardt Jr. ran this Axalta Datsun Limited paint scheme once in the 2017 Monster Energy Cup NASCAR season at the Bristol Motor Speedway night race, where he finished in 23rd position. The seller I bought these from also included these two basketball cards in here. I messaged him on eBay and he said I could keep them, so. Junior ran this paint scheme at the 2016 All-Star race, where he finished 3rd place.
Green flag.
Yikes. Yikes.
There you go. Oh no, look at the outside. On the inside,
Yikes.
he just drove right by him like
Larson.
it's nothing.
Oh, gee.
Four wide behind him.
Oh, gee.
How's that going to work?
Well, it's going to work
Just fine.
pretty good.
Wow.
Unbelievable. 12 cars under a
Jimmy
blanket.
Johnson's loose.
This paint scheme is from the 2017 Talladega race and features the names of thousands of fans.
Hard into the wall, the 41 of Kurt Busch. He'll collect the rest of the field.
The 18's in it, the 48's in it.
The 88 is in it. Just on the front edge, he starts to roll now on the apron. Suarez back up there. Big wreck behind him. Logano gets in it.
Wrecking behind you.
Trevor Bayne also. Drivers out here. Suarez is going to go around. He got tagged from the back. Right in front, hard contact.
All right, hold it up there, Yellow's out. Be ready, guys. Run.
Guess who wasn't involved? The 88. It's an attrition race now.
This car Dale Jr. ran in the 2008 Darlington Dodge Charger 500 and is a throwback to a paint scheme that Darrell Waltrip raced.
On the body, it's sticking way out there. He doesn't need to be getting that up against the wall anymore.
This is a battle for 4th right here between Dale Earnhardt Jr. and that 88 car, looking back at the guy that's trying to reel him in, David Reagan, in that 6 car.
I tell you, Dale Jr. was so happy with his car all weekend long. I just thought he was going to have it's not a bad night. He's going to finish 4th and 5th here, but I thought he would be a little stronger than that.
And David Reagan is going to climb into the top dozen in the Sprint Cup standings tonight.
That's amazing. That's really exciting for him.
And there comes Matt Kenseth in that 17 car, has had just a terrible weekend here, qualified back in the...
And they are right there on Dale Jr. too. They're closing up fast on him with that 41. Won't get out of the way. Jr.'s going to try to get by him on the inside here, looks like.